Hello everybody. Today we are going to talk about logical operators. Why are they called logical operators? Because they work like in the math logic section. Don't worry if you don't know or do not understand the subject. I will try to explain it the easy way. Please concentrate, and if you do not understand this topic, watch this video again, because it's really important to know how the operators work. Let's create multi-line commands. Okay, and first operator that we learn in C++ is called AND operator, which is called in math conjunction. Okay, so it is used to connect something, and in the programming language it is hidden behind two ampersand signs, that signs here. And you can think about conjunction like it was a connector of two expressions. And what do I think by saying expression? I'm thinking about things like that. 7 is greater than 5, 5 is not equal 10, and well, mostly the things that we learned in the last lesson, right? Okay. And you know that expressions have results, right? As I said in previous lesson, the result is 0, which is representing false, or 1, which is representing true. And when we connect two expressions, right? Two expressions with AND operator like that, for example, we are saying that both expressions have to be true if we want the full sentence to be true. The sentence is that thing what I have just highlighted, okay? So this is the sentence. And so sentence is something like two expression connected with, for example, that conjunction here, right? Okay. Okay, so let's note that conjunction is true only if both expressions are true. Okay, and let's check it out. See out. Now I'll use the parentheses and our sentence here, right? And let's build our program. As you can see, the result is 1. Why? Is 7 greater than 5? Yes. Is 5 not equal to 10? Yes. So here I have from that expression 1. Here I have from that expression 1, right? And 1 and 1, and is that thing here. 1 and 1 is also 1, because conjunction is true only if both expressions are true. Okay? Well, for example, let's change the numbers here. Now I will say that 5 is greater than 7, which is of course not true. So here I have result as a result 0, and here I have as a result 1. So 0 and 1 should give us false, so it will be 0, right? And as you can see, everything is working fine. Let's make a table for that. So if I have, for example, expression 1, expression 2, and the result is, so 0, 0, result is 0, 0, 1, result is 0, 1, 0, result is 0, and conjunction is true only when both expressions are true. Okay. Now let's talk about logical OR operator. OR. And it is represented in C++ by two pipe signs, that signs, and in math it is called disjunction. Okay, sometimes people call it alternative. Okay, and disjunction is working like that. Let's make a table. So as you can see, disjunction is false only when both expressions are false. In all other situations, disjunction is, of course, true. And how to memorize it? I think if you want to memorize it, I would suggest thinking about disjunction as alternative. In real life, when we are deciding, we are trying to choose right decisions, right? And which are in programming language represented by 1, 2. So here we have only false expressions to choose. So the result is 0, right? 0, 0, and I have no choice. I have to choose 0, and okay, the result will be 0. But in other situations, as you can see, we have always at least one right decision. I have got one decision to choose, 0 or 1. Oh, okay, I will choose 1 because it's better for me, of course. I will feel better, okay? That's why the final result is 1, 1, 1 in the places here. Because we are choosing always alternative decision, which is good for us. Okay, let's try it in programming version. So I will change the guy here to alternative. So as you can see, is 5 greater than 7? No, so I have here 0. Is 5 not equal to 10? Yes, so here I have 1. So 0 or 1 is what? The result is 1, of course. I will choose the easiest alternative for me. The right decision, okay, is 1 for sure. And let's check it. Build and run. As you can see, I wasn't wrong. What if I have both expression as false? As you can see, the result is 0. So everything is working fine. Maybe let's know that this junction is false only when both expressions are false. Okay, and now it is the last operator, which is called logical negation operator, which is represented in the C++ language by exclamation mark. Okay, and it is just changing 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. So if I have, for example, that thing, the result will be 1. If I have something like that, the result will be 0. So here our result is right now 1. If I want to if I use that exclamation mark here, it should be, as you can see now, 0. So 1 was changed to 0. So we can understand that exclamation mark as our word no, right? No, not. It's not something. Okay. Probably this topic might be confusing for you, and you might be thinking like, how is it important for programming, right? I'm assuring you that in next lessons you'll notice that this thing is really important. You can create many very important things by using the knowledge in this lesson. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.